आत्मज्ञानारम्भम्। मयि स्थितो आत्मतत्त्वात्. मयि स्थितो, that means the one which is within me. मयि स्थितो आत्मतत्त्वात्. Atma Tattva is self-principles. So, the self-principle within me, Shunyat Brahmanda Nirmitaha. Shunyat is out of nothing, out of a big zero, out of a vacuum. Brahmanda Nirmitaha. Brahmanda is the entire universe. Nirmitaha is created. So here we are told very, very clearly that the self-material, self-principle, that means the consciousness within each one of us, which is actually the universal self, the self-principle of the universe, and that Mayi Sthito Atma Tattvam, the self-principle within me, that means within every one of us, that self-principle has created Shunyat, from nowhere. The Brahmanda is universe. That means universe is created from nowhere. There was nothing that is modified to create the universe. And this entire creation is out of the consciousness, the desire of the consciousness of the self. And this clearly indicates that since the same self, the same consciousness is in each of us, if we choose to awaken it, and of course, if we choose to empower it further, then we will be able to do things in a limitless manner. And of course, as it is, we are the creators of our destiny, we are the creators of our life. We are not aware of it, but if we open our eyes, we will realize that that is as it is happening. And of course, if we develop this awareness, then we will stop depending on the destiny and creating the life of our choice in the best possible manner, in the most positive and creative manner. Because the creation of soul, the creation of the self or soul material, Jiva Tattva, is limitless. It can do anything. And so we also have the capacity to do anything. We limit ourselves because of our learning. And we have to unlearn all that. And we have to understand that we are the creators. The self-principle within us has created this much big universe out of nothing. Can we not create the life that we want out of whatever we have? Our task is easier. Why not do it? Just think over it.